I'm the dude, so that's what you call me, you know?
Alright, so in this video, we are checking out an RC that I know nothing about. It was sent to me by a seller on Amazon, and they wanted me to basically just check it out and test it. So I figured, why not? I won't say no as long as it's brushless and somewhat exciting to show you guys. Now I have the package flipped upside down because I didn't want to see the RC just yet. I wanted to see the bottom of it, and hey, it looks like an MJX kind of. 10-speed, 1/14 scale, high-speed off-road truck, model 9522-5. So yeah, I don't know nothing about this thing, but it piqued my curiosity, and hopefully it does yours as well. So the body looks like a truggy. It comes in red, blue, and green. We have the red one here. I gotta say, it's pretty exciting because I really don't know what to expect. Here's the instruction manual right here. Let's see if I can get it out correctly. Oh, no, that just comes out like that. We have a transmitter there and some parts. We'll go through that in a bit. You can see it peekabooing there. Let's pull it out. All right. Whoa. All right, so it looks like it comes with some paddles. Score, that's pretty cool. Comment down below if you know what this is, because I sure don't. And it was supposed to be green, but I guess it comes with two bodies. So, all right, so far this is a pretty good deal for whatever price it is. So the suspension feels weird. I think it's a friction suspension, but it's really stiff and springy. And I just looked, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's definitely grease on those shafts. So I don't know if the oil leaked out of them or it's just a friction suspension with grease on the shafts. We also have a metal chassis in this bronze copper-ish color. LED lights up top and in the bumper in the front. And I don't think there's nothing in the rear. It does have a wheelie bar. Speed explosion. I like the sound of that. So let's get the body off and see what's underneath. It is connected. The plastics so far look so-so. The shocks where they are held on look kind of sus. You can see it better in this angle. Hopefully those shock towers are really strong. Shocks are not adjustable, and yeah, I can tell that they're friction dampers just by looking at them. And I think they just greased up the shafts so they work smoother. But the suspension is really springy but stiff at the same time. Now for electronics, it doesn't have a 2-in-1, so it has a receiver box, so that's a plus. No clue what amperage this thing is. I'm assuming it's gonna be like 35 or 45 amps. And the brushless motor looks to be like a 28, maybe 45 or something like that. Drivetrain does not feel too bad. Must be a metal drivetrain in there. Has a nice center brace. So yeah, this is basically, I think, like a knockoff of like an MJX. Definitely not there in terms of the quality of materials used though. The tires do feel a little plasticky, but you know, grippy. Battery included is not labeled, but it is a 3S battery, so that is awesome. This thing must boogie. Let's see what else we have in here. A whole bunch of stuff. Whoa, spare shocks. But wow, this RC is like the gift that keeps on giving. So it looks like it comes with spare shocks. They are adjustable. And they are not oil filled. Or they might be, but you just have to fill it up with your own oil. That's what I'm assuming. Let's just take this one apart to confirm that. I had to take it apart from the bottom. And it does have a piston with a little E-clip. And yeah, this looks like an oiled shock. So that's pretty cool that they give you this, because those other shocks are not that good. And just to speed things along, this is all you get with this RC, which I gotta say is a good amount of stuff. You have the extra body, extra shocks, wing, some tools, body clips, second battery, second 3S battery, I should say, that was in there. Those paddles and a transmitter. But I gotta say, this transmitter, wow, it is really light. It does have a foam wheel, but man, this thing does not feel very high quality. It does have some buttons here. I can barely make them out. We got throttle, dual rate, steering trim, and then the switch is 70 and 100% power. Can't really reach the wheel with my thumb, which is all right. That's just a me problem. Not too bad. It does kind of feel cheap, but hey, we'll see how it works. All right, so let's just start this thing up and see what it does for speed. I have no idea. Servo is not that bad. I did throw on the oil-filled shocks. They are a little bit better, but this thing does not have that much travel anyways. Let's see what the light button does. Just shuts off the lights on the roof. That's about it. Oh. All right. It is all over the road. It's not too fast. It might be fast enough, somewhere in the 30s, maybe 28. Yeah, I'm fighting the steering wheel just a little bit, so it might need some trimming. Doesn't have a very good turning circle, or the transmitter is just limited to how much you can turn it. It feels weird. See if you can wheelie. Nope, no wheelie. Yeah, kind of hard to control. Might be a combination of the tires and the differentials. Let's just run it in the grass since we're here. Can power through, no problem. Does tumble a little bit. Oh. Oh, can't do a backflip off the tree. Nope, no backflip. Oh, watch out for the roof. Fully pens. Yeah, it's probably gonna be somewhere in the 30s. Nice, landed it. Woo! It's good. Yeah, the diffs in this are very loose and the tires are very plasticky, so a little hard to control. The more I drive this thing, the better it's getting grip-wise, but still not great. All right, stop read. Well, that's not right. 50 miles an hour. That's that's from the MJX. I don't know why it didn't clear out. Guess we have to do that again. All right, there we go. 29 miles an hour. So that's what this thing does. Not too bad. 30 miles an hour almost. Yeah, I don't know. This thing does not have the feel of an MJX. It's a little rough around the edges when it comes to control, and the transmitter does not feel very good. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more with the CNHL battery. Maybe. Might be able to hit 30 now. It's all over the road. All right, let's see what it did. Let's see, actually you can pop a wheelie now. Nope, but it has a little bit more power. Nope, no wheelie. All right, give us 30. Stop read, 29 still. Oh, all right, so well, guess that's as fast as this thing goes. right, couple whacks at the skate park, and we'll see how it does. Oh, not bad. Better than I expected. All right. All right, has some air control. Oh, it has a really soft brake, so the air control is not too bad. All right. Whoa, couldn't see it because the sun. I moved over here because the sun is beaming. All right. I'm impressed. Floats good. Not bad. No backflip, but it lands really well. Oh, almost had a backflip. Oh, and it might be done. We hit it right on the nose. That might have been the kill shot. I don't know. Lifeless. All right. Well, let's see what happened here. Lost the body pin. Oh, we just unplugged the battery. Not bad. Thought it was dead. All right. It's alive. Let's see how it does on the big jumps. Oh! Well, we had our backflip almost. Whoa. All right. Backflip. Oh, and we probably unplugged the battery again. I'm a little impressed, I will say. Not the fastest thing in the world, but seems to do all right jumping. At least it did on the small ramp. Nice. Just can't really send it because it is not, oh, it is not made for big jumps. But at least the suspension is a lot better on the oil-filled shocks. All right, one more big send. All right, still good. Oh, battery again. Yeah, it hits the box pretty good. It has pretty good control too. Lands pretty good too. Not bad, right? Really good control. Cool, huh?
Yeah, how does it do that? Like it goes like, it's like this.
Oh, it's air control. I'm controlling with the trigger. So it floats up, and if you see it go whichever way, you can correct it with the controller. Are you into RC cars? Yeah?
I don't have any, but like, I've been to like the hobby quarters.
Hobby quarters down the street.
Yeah, the races.
You want this one?
Really?
Yeah. I'll give it to you before I break it. I don't need it, I got a ton. Gonna give this thing to that kid, because why not? You know, before I break it on the ramps, I already know it jumps pretty good. Might as well give it a good home, right? Just gonna run home, get the body and the battery charger, and it's all his. Instead of me wasting the RC car, just hand it off to the kid and he'll have fun with it. You have 2 bodies, 2 batteries, then you have a charger in there, and don't ever leave it plugged in, because if you leave it plugged in, it's gonna ruin the battery, all right? All right, man, have fun.
Yeah.